In today's digital landscape, making money online has evolved, offering individuals the opportunity to earn income directly from their smartphones. Whether you're a stay at home parent, a college student, or simply looking to supplement your income, the potential to earn money with just a smartphone is accessible. Shopify dropshipping and starting a YouTube channel are two effective methods discussed in this guide. These approaches require minimal investment and can be pursued by beginners. By the end of this video, viewers will have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage their smartphone to generate income, potentially earning up to $95 per day. Welcome to Jum Talks. I'm your host Jum. Shopify dropshipping. The e-commerce strategy known as Shopify dropshipping has become increasingly popular in recent years. This model enables individuals to launch their own online stores without the requirement for inventory management of their products. Building a Shopify store directly from your smartphone has become a very simple process because to the development of cutting-edge artificial intelligence capabilities. The first thing you need to do in order to get started with Shopify dropshipping is to get access to the artificial intelligence tool that was developed exclusively for the purpose of developing Shopify stores on mobile devices. Automating the process of setting up a store can save you a lot of time and effort, and this program does just that. When you arrive at the page that has been selected for you, you will be asked to choose a section for your store. There are a number of specialized alternatives available through Shopify, such as fashion, pets, gadgets, home sports, or even a random selection of winning products. Pick a market segment that corresponds with your interests and the demand in the market. Following the selection of your niche, the artificial intelligence tool will perform its magic by building your store and stocking it with products that are successful. Because of the effectiveness of artificial intelligence technologies, this procedure often takes less than 2 minutes to complete. Immediately following the creation of your store, you will be provided with login credentials, which will consist of an email address and a password. You should save these details so that you may access your Shopify account in the future. The next step is to use the credentials that were provided to you in order to log in to your Shopify account. In the event that you are not familiar with Shopify, you will be required to sign up for a trial plan. Shopify provides a trial period of 30 days for a small price, which is often about $1. During this trial time, you will have access to all of Shopify's capabilities, which will enable you to thoroughly investigate and improve your store. Now that you have authorized your Shopify account, it is time to design your store so that it properly reflects your brand and appeals to the audience you are trying to reach. For the purpose of making transactions with your consumers easier, you should begin by establishing payment alternatives. Also, if you want to improve the credibility of your store and strengthen its brand identification, you should think about purchasing a domain name that is appropriate for it. Shopify provides services for domain registration, which makes it simple to locate and get a domain that corresponds with the niche within which your company operates. After you have finished configuring your domain settings and payment methods, you should investigate the other critical settings that are available within your Shopify account. These settings include delivery options, tax rates, and store policies. Ensure that your consumers have a pleasant purchasing experience by customizing these settings to match your individual requirements and to comply with your specifications. After you have finished setting up and customizing your business, it is time to begin adding products and getting ready for the launch. It is possible to add products from your selected niche by utilizing the product management tools that Shopify provides. This will ensure that the products are appropriately represented and priced competitively. After you have finished compiling your product catalog, you should examine the layout and operation of your business to make certain that everything is in order, to discover any potential problems with the purchasing process, and to make any necessary improvements. The process should be tested. Finally, when you have reached a point where you are content with the way your store looks and how it functions, it is time to launch it. For the purpose of generating initial traffic and sales, you should share the URL of your business with your friends, family, and on social media. Maintain close vigilance over the performance of your store and make necessary adjustments in order to maximize both sales and profitability. Below is the link to Shopify in the description box. Go and check it out. Starting a YouTube channel. YouTube has become one of the most popular platforms for content creators, and it comes with a plethora of chances for individuals to make money off of their work. Starting a YouTube channel has never been easier than it is now, thanks to the proliferation of smartphones that come equipped with digital cameras of superior quality and editing software. In order to get your YouTube channel off the ground and running, the first thing you need to do is select a niche that corresponds with your interests, areas of expertise, and ideal audience. When writing content, it is important to take into consideration themes that you are informed about and passionate about. This will make the process more enjoyable and real. It is important to conduct research on popular niches and trending subjects on YouTube in order to uncover prospective areas of interest. Keep an eye out for voids in the industry where you may fill them with your own special brand of value and appeal to a particular demographic. It is time to construct your YouTube channel once you have decided on a certain niche for your channel. You may set up your channel and modify its appearance by logging into your Google account and navigating to YouTube's Creator Studio. Once you are there, you can begin the process. Now that you have your channel up, it is time to begin producing material for it. It is important to prioritize the delivery of high quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience, regardless of whether you are shooting yourself or choosing to take a faceless approach. The creation of vlogs, tutorials, or educational videos that are linked to your expertise is something you should think about doing if you are comfortable being on camera. Maintain a genuine and friendly demeanor and make sure that your personality is reflected in the information you create. In the alternative, if you would rather have a faceless approach, you might investigate several possibilities such as animations, voiceovers, or microphone recordings. Through the utilization of applications such as NidAI, you can generate voiceovers and animations directly from your smartphone, thereby making the process of content creation more accessible and efficient. After you have built your channel and started posting content, it is important to concentrate on monetizing your channel. YouTube provides content creators with a number of different ways to generate cash, including advertising revenue, channel memberships, goods shelf sales, and super chat donations. You will need to enable monetization in the settings of your YouTube account and achieve certain qualifying conditions in order to be able to generate revenue from advertisements through your channel. These requirements include obtaining a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the course of the previous year. Additionally, investigate additional methods of income, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and the sale of digital products or merchandise. Beyond the cash generated by typical advertisements, these alternatives may give additional streams of income. Now that you have monetized your channel, you should concentrate on expanding your following and becoming more engaged with the content you produce. When you upload movies of a good quality that offers something of value to your audience, you should encourage them to subscribe to your channel, enjoy your videos, and share your content. Responding to comments, taking part in live streaming, and talking with people on social media platforms are all great ways to engage with your audience. By cultivating a good rapport with your audience, you can develop loyalty and drive repeat viewership, which will ultimately contribute to the growth and success of your channel. Let's talk about Invideo, which is a versatile online video creation platform that can indeed aid in establishing a faceless YouTube channel. With its user-friendly interface and diverse range of features, Invideo enables creators to produce engaging content without appearing on camera. Through its extensive library of stock footage, images, and animations, users can craft visually captivating videos without the need for personal appearance. Additionally, Invideo offers customizable templates and text overlays, allowing for the creation of unique video styles while maintaining anonymity. Furthermore, the platform supports voiceovers, enabling creators to narrate their content without revealing their faces. By leveraging these tools effectively, content creators can establish and maintain a faceless YouTube channel that resonates with their audience while preserving privacy and anonymity. Below is the link to Invideo in the description box. Regardless of whether you decide to pursue Shopify dropshipping, launch a YouTube channel, or investigate other alternatives available online, the most important things to keep in mind are originality, consistency, and endurance. You may transform your smartphone into a strong tool for producing cash and achieving financial independence if you are willing to put in the necessary amount of effort and attention. Now, what exactly are you holding out for? Today is the day to begin your journey to success and discover how to use the potential of your smartphone to generate income online. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.